Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on Suno app PV good settings. On this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you search about Suno app and you click in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.